Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon quiche. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and fit a 9-inch crust into a pie dish. Flake cooked salmon and set aside. Whisk eggs, cream, salt, pepper, and dill until smooth. Fold in salmon and cheese, pour into crust, and bake until set and golden. Let rest before slicing for best texture and easy serving. Gather ingredients and measure everything before starting for smooth workflow. Use cooked salmon from leftovers or quickly poach a fresh fillet. Grate cheese and chop dill while crust chills. Crack eggs into a bowl and whisk with cream until silky. Season lightly because the salmon and cheese add salinity. This prep keeps you organized and ensures the quiche bakes evenly and slices neatly at the table. Blind baking helps avoid a soggy bottom and gives the quiche structure. Use pie weights or dried beans, then remove them before filling. Bake until the center jiggles slightly but is not liquid, as carryover heat will finish cooking. If the crust browns too fast, tent with foil. Resting time is crucial. It allows the custard to set so slices hold together and presentation looks professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.